behind the table. I went up. I was a little sign saying, Heston and Ruthie's outside the front door.
Okay, Ruthie, so how did you get started? And how did you find that building for the restaurant?
Richard had just bought the 10 small warehouses with his partners, and there was a space for a restaurant. And so we thought it'd be great to have a community where there were architects, designers, and there would be some place to eat. The planners would only give us permission to open at lunchtime, and only to the people who worked in the warehouses.
I'm dying to ask you, what was in the first
On
menu?
the first menu, well, we did have the pear and almond tart, and then we had pasta.
How then did you meet Rose?
I was living in a part of London as a student coming up from the United States, and she was living around the corner. We had a mutual friend, and this friend of mine said, "Oh, I'm going to take you up to see this amazing woman." This stunning woman opened the door, and she had a glass of wine in one hand and a baby on the hip, and that was Rose. And I think I probably fell in love with her.